Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I show you the possible fixes of Do Not Disturb turning on automatically on iPhone. There are many factors which can cause this issue, but in this video I show you the Do Not Disturb schedule option. One of the most prominent reasons why your iPhone automatically turn on Do Not Disturb can be that your focus mode has scheduled DND. In this case, the focus mode automatically activates the feature depending on the time, place or app as per your instructions. There is a good possibility you have used it and may have neglected to turn it off or remove it after you are done. Here's how to do so. First, open Control Center by swiping down from the top right of the screen. Then scroll up from the bottom if you are using an iPhone with a home button. In the next tab, press and hold focus. Then tap the three dot icon next to Do Not Disturb, select Settings. In the third step, choose a schedule under the Set a Schedule section. Number 4. Toggle off schedule. Number 5. Additionally, you can also delete it by pressing Delete Schedule and confirming by selecting Delete Schedule. I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. I see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.